Good morning, fellow YouTubers. I am trading on Wednesday, March 2nd. Just started everything up. The time is 8:46. Just getting going here. Just watching the markets. Trying to let it cool down a little bit before I start the auto ripper. Okay. Let's see what she's got for me. Well, it's kind of stalling finally. It was moving pretty quick. I don't like to jump in until about 8:45. Usually has a chance to settle down a little bit. Now it's just kind of trying to wait and see what direction they want to move it. And the auto ripper is more than capable enough to figure out that. Yeah, let's get that zeroed up a little bit. There we go. See if she's going to go now. A little pullback from the green. She's going up to the new high for the day. I believe the VIX is still pretty high, 3175. And the Nasdaq is up 30 points.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Come on, girl, get up there. It's going to retest the high. Get up there. There she goes.
Order canceled.
Okay. Let's go. Let's retest that high.
Order
Done.
canceled.
Could have gone more. Should have gone more. Turn it off. Let it settle out. I like to make $1,000, and I'm conservative. I'm a very conservative trader. I shall let her run. The auto ripper had the right direction. Well, short-lived. It's going to do a pullback maybe. Yeah, it's way above the overnight high. But we got $594 banked. Not bad for 2 minutes. I guess that's a pretty good payday. Let's see what it's going to do. Yeah, pulling back. Yeah, here she comes back down. I don't know if it's going to retest that or not. Might push higher. Yeah, it might push higher. The daily high is at 14,145. So up here. Right there. Doesn't look like they like that level. Nope. Give it a few minutes. Well, they tried twice. There. See if she goes flushes down. Yeah. There's another one there at 14,090. Right in there. Right here.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Come on, flush down, baby. Flush down. Make our money. Come on, sellers, get in there. See, they're holding right here.
Order
Here we
canceled.
go.
Order filled.
There. Let's see what we got for grand total. Takes a second for it to calculate. 1100. I'm good with that. And the time is 8:51. So if you know, well, it's a little there to settle down. I'm good with that right now. All right. Thank you for watching.